So Amlan is the animal health business of Oil-Dri Corporation of America. We're based in the U.S., actually in Chicago, Illinois. We mine and manufacture clay-based feed additives from a single source in southern Illinois. Amlan manufactures clay-based feed additives for the animal health market to optimize gut health and feed efficiency and deliver value to our producers.
Here now we're beginning the process of launching an anticoccidial product called Phylox. That's an all-natural solution that will replace chemicals, ionophores, vaccines, or can be utilized in conjunction with them in an anticoccidial control strategy.
We're also talking about Calibrin Z, our broad-spectrum toxin binder that's been around for 15 years now, and we've had great success with that product in the market. Also in our portfolio is a product called Varium, feed efficiency for poultry, and that product is gaining great traction in Latin America with improving feed efficiency and growth performance. We're very excited to be promoting that product here in the Asian market as well.
Well, Oil-Dri, or Amlan International, we have a very unique mineral technology, and it's based on our porous calcium montmorillonites, or calcium bentonites, and they are very porous in the sense that they are 50% pore space and have lots of micro and mesoporosity and a tremendous amount of surface area. A kilogram of our material has about 450,000 meters squared per gram. Well, that's roughly equivalent to the surface area of 60 football stadiums. And on that surface area, you can conduct a tremendous amount of molecular chemistry, binding of biotoxins and all sorts of other anti-nutritional factors you don't want negatively influencing an animal.
We have a range of products that we sell into the poultry, dairy, and swine industries. They include a host of mycotoxin binders that also provide broad biotoxin control as well. We also have formulated products that are intended to be utilized when people are removing antibiotics from their rations and need to maintain animal health and productivity. So Amlan sells into the animal production industry both direct to end users, but also through channel partners in various countries where we serve. We also have a global technical service team that works with our partners and our customer end users to ensure that our products are used in a way that brings the most value, the most efficacy, and the greatest return on investment.
To get in touch with Amlan and find out more information about our products, visit our website, amlan.com.